Everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to go through and show you how I craft my meta titles and meta descriptions, and basically make sure that the ones that are going on my magic page are going to be unique no matter how many magic pages I do. Now, as you saw in the previous video, I pulled in all of these meta titles, which are all from page 1. Which basically means they've all got the content which Google's looking for. Now, if you look at sort of what they've got in there, they've got termite treatment control, termite control, best termite treatment, termite control and treatment, termite treatment and termite control, and termite and control, and termite and control, and termite treatment. Okay, so they've got all of them keywords in. And if we look at the Google Analytics, we've got termite control. We've got termite control with the location modifier at the front, as location modifier at the back, termite treatment, and then we've got termite control. Okay, so what people are searching for are exactly what's in here. Now, how can we craft ours so they're better? Well, what I tend to do is copy them. Okay, so I've got all of these here. I just put them into a Google Doc, which is me termite control Google Doc. So I'll paste them without formatting, and then what I should have done really, and just do meta titles, and then let's just give that a heading 2 so it stands out. So now I know this is going to be my meta titles. Okay, so what we've got in here is termite treatment, right? We've got termite treatment, termite control, and home protection. Okay, so that's 3 different things there. Termite control. Yeah, I don't want answers for homeowners. I'll take that out. The best termite treatment. Well, that sounds good, the best one. So termite control and treatment. Let's control and treatment again. Expert termite inspection. Yeah, I like that. How much does a termite treatment cost? Termite control and prevention. I like that bit. Termites, how to identify and control. So you've got termite control again. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change these, the treatment, control, and home protection. I'm going to spin them. Okay, so they're going to be unique. Now, there's a couple of ways to do it. There's the first way. I will just need to pause the video a bit, I think. Okay, so what I've done is I've pulled up this little form, which I've given to people before. And what I will actually do is I'll put this below the video so you can actually access it. Because basically this helps you do multiple spins. Okay, so how many do we say we have? We have termite, we've got treatment, control, home prevention, home protection, and we've got prevention, haven't we? So treatment, so let's have a look. So if we have treatment, control, and home protection, there's anything gone. So if we just, that's 1, 2, 3. And no, if I leave that one out for now, we do treatment, control, protection, prevention. Yeah, we'll take that one. And put that in there. I'll just zoom in a minute once I've got this done. I'll zoom in for you guys. I'm just right. So we've got treatment, right? Okay, bloody hell. Okay, so in here, we've got termite control. We can take the hand out. We've got home protection and prevention. So if we put them to like that, we've got 3 different variations of what we want. Or should we have that as 4 actually? Treatment, control, home protection, home prevention. I think them two are about the same, so we'll leave that like that. Let's get rid of the commas. Okay, so we've got 3. So the way we can spin it is we can take this one, which has got 3 in. Okay, so this is a 3-way spin with and. Yeah, so we take that and we put that up there. So we've got 1, 2, 3. If I just zoom in on this one as well, you'll see what it is for those of you who haven't seen it before. Basically, I created this so that I could spin lists and get them spun, and with and in, and then with one of them's got or in somewhere, that one's got or in, and that one's just got the actual commas in. Okay, it's just an easy way of spinning a list, because all you do is you go into there and you copy treatment, do it Control F, you do treatment in there, you click on replace, and sorry, you want to do treatment in there, and you want to do number 1. Okay, now what that will do, that will replace number 1 with treatment. So you replace all. You then do control and put that there and change that to number 2. And then you do replace all. And then you take this one, copy it, put it in there, and make that number 3, and do replace all. Okay, so now we've got them 3 spun, okay, and in various different locations. So copy that, and then let's put it back here. I'll just zoom in on this for you. Okay, so we put it in there. So termite treatment, home protection. So that's now going to come out with termite treatment, control, and that and wants to be in ampersand. Sorry, that and wants to be a capital, and home protection prevention. I'll change all the blinking ands and so basically that's going to come out as termite treatment control and home protection. Or it could come out as termite treatment control and prevention, or it could come out as termite control, treatment and home protection or prevention, termite treatment, home protection and control. So as you can see, it comes out with lots of different things. Now the other thing, we've got the best. So we could do that and put that on the front. Okay. Have a space, put the pipe, and then put the curly end, closing curly brackets. So now we're going to have, sometimes we'll have the best termite treatment and control, and other times we'll just have the termite treatment and control. So as you can see, we're already building up where we're going to get lots of different things. But now what we need to do is obviously we want the location in. So let's have location. So if I now take this and copy it and put it into spin text tester and do compile, I'll just zoom in a bit. As you can see now, that has now come out as termite treatment, prevention and control location, which could be Clearwater. So we do it again. And then we got the best termite prevention, treatment and control. So as you can see, it's changing, and there's going to be loads of variations on that one. Okay. But we can extend that, because if you look at that and put it into word counter, it's only 59 characters. Now you can have up to 70, Google says you can have up to 70, but you can have more. You don't need to stick to 70. Some people actually say that more is better because Google reads more from it. I sort of stick in the middle. I'm not like OCD about keeping it under 70. And at the same time, I don't put like sort of 200 characters in. I'll probably put like sort of up to 80 or 90 in. So we've got the best termite prevention, treatment, and control. So what we can do is, okay, we can put here the best termite treatment, control, home protection, location, and we can have expert termite inspection. Okay, so we get another keyword in there. So we can have expert, we can have expert termite inspection, or we could have experts in termite inspection, or we could have actually specialists in termite inspection. Experts in, specialists in. So we've got that now. So let's now unwind this one with Spin Text Tester. Okay, so if we put that in to word counter. So we've got there the best termite treatment, home protection and control, location, expert termite. So we've got 92. So to me, that's a good one. So that one will do for me. So now if I just go down here and I'm going to copy it, because what I'm going to do now is going to go in there and I'm going to have, where's my location gone? There we go. I'm going to have location, take that out and put that in there. So now what we've got is the best location termite treatment control, experts in or specialists in termite inspection. And then we've got obviously the best, or without the best, sorry, we can have like just location termite treatment. So there's variations there. But now what we can do then is okay, if we copy these two down like that, and we can replace, say, one of these with inspection. So now we go back over to this. And let's replace, let's put in here inspection. Okay, so if I now convert treatment well, no, because we want control in, we definitely want control and we definitely want treatment in because they are in. Oh, that means, where's that gone? Termite control, termite treatment. So we want termite control and treatment in. Okay, so if I do that then, so if I change, so if I copy that and put that into there, and then copy inspection and put that into there, and then basically do change all. Okay, so we've got termite treatment, control, and inspection. If we copy that now and go back to here, termite, so if we go from here, and change all of that. So that's the hell's happened there? I have no idea what happened there. Where's my thing go? Copy that. Let's paste that. That's better. And then let's copy that up like that. Then let's do the same for this one. And let's paste that in. And now if we change this to be that, we've now just got another two ways of saying it, which again are going to be lots and lots of different variations. In fact, let's have a look. Because if we go to check syntax, and let's just chuck this one in. So if we put this in here, and we do check syntax, that's got a missing value, that's why it doesn't come out. So we'll just put an X in there for now. Okay, so if I zoom in on this, I just had to put an X in there because basically it doesn't count it if you've got no values in there. But this bit here is 111% unique. Okay, so that's what it tells. So it's 111% unique. Just out of curiosity, see if this one's the same. Should be roughly the same, I would think. I'll just put an X in and just do check. Oh, that one's 188% unique. So we've got nearly 200% unique on these, and we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them done. Okay, and we can do lots more. We can do more because we've got like sort of. I suppose we could do. If we take these two now. And put them in there, we could take out treatment and put treatment in the end because you're going to still have termite treatment in the meta title. Okay, it's just going to be at the end. What I'm going to show you now is a slightly quicker way than using that. And that's the tool, and this is why I built this tool to actually do it. So basically, what we're going to do, we're going to have, if we put these here, we're going to have, we're putting treatment at the end, aren't we? So we'll have control, inspection, and then there is this home protection prevention governs. So we're having these three, and then we're going to have treatment at the end. Okay. So if I do that, just copy them and jump over to here, then go into the permutations generator. This will do the similar sort of thing, only a bit better because now make sure you haven't got a blank line underneath. Otherwise, if you have, you'll get a blank line out. This will allow me to decide whether I want to put commas in or not, which I don't. It just takes up space. But I can also decide whether I want an and or an or. And of course, I can do this with as many as possible. I'll do up to 6, and that'll get us 720 permutations. I've only got up to 5 on here. And as you can see, there's lots of permutations. But it's just, obviously, it's a pain in the backside to do. So all you do is you go submit. It comes out into the permutations like that. And then you do generate your spin text. And you copy your spun data. Okay. And we're going to, oops, that's the one I want. So we now need to change this to that. And then we need to change that to that. And then, if we just push that down a bit, we can do the other one now, where we do we have termite control on the end. So now what we want to do is we want to take control out and we want to put treatment in. So we just go up to here and we put treatment in there. And we just basically do submit. And generate spin text shortcode. Copy. Go back to here. And we want to drop that in there. And we want to drop that in there. And so now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 variations, all of that. Now, if I do this, because this is what we'll be doing, we'll be putting these into spin text shortcodes. So basically, do that, 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 and then do that. And then if I just copy this little lot and put that in here. Now when I do change syntax, if I've done that right, we should get a decent. Okay. So if I put an X in there, 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 and in there. How many more is there? All right. So put them in. Now when we do it, we're 1088% unique. So every time we do one, it's going to be completely unique. If I go to here and put the same in, we've got the best location, termite prevention, treatment and control, expert in termite inspection. Expert in termite control. Specialist in termite control. Expert termite control. Expert in termite inspection. So as you can see, these are constantly changing. So we've got lots and lots and lots of variations on this. So there's 1088%. So there's got to be, you know, a fair few thousand different combinations what will come out. So that will make all of our magic pages totally unique when we have these meta titles. Now, obviously, this little thing here, my 3-way spin text document, that's free to you guys. It will be like a link to it below the video. There will also be a link for you to be able to get hold of my MPP Toolbox. Then because you are part of the MPP step-by-step course, there will also be a coupon which will allow you to have 30% off. And that 30% will be off for every month. It's not just like sort of a one-off thing. It's like every month that you're paying, you're going to get 30% off. Okay, guys? Hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next video. Bye.